hi Danny, TRT for life, LH and FSH are extinguished. Can we have health problems because of that? Could it have something to do with the thyroid gland and it work? Thanks. Okay. There are different schools of thought in regards to what happens to the rest of the body when LH and FSH get suppressed due to shutdown, due to exogenous testosterone. There are some that say it will stop the production of upstream hormones or limit the production of upstream hormones like pregnenolone and DHEA. Others insist that it does not. We've seen plenty of guys on TRT getting their pregnenolone and DHEA levels, and levels are just fine in most cases. So that doesn't really seem to be the case. There's also a school of thought that discusses that it could affect neurotransmitters. We don't really know to the extent of how much. There's plenty of guys that get on TRT and they start off, 150 milligrams a week, and they're doing twice weekly injections, and they say they feel fantastic. They've never felt better. And then you've got, the handful of others that show up in the Facebook group saying, my libido is off or my erections are off. Most of the time it's due to just poor protocols. And once you fix those protocols, that fixes it. There's very, very, very few guys that I've worked with, or that even all the doctors that I deal with have worked with, where the protocol, you look at it, it makes perfect sense based on their needs. You can see what they've done, raised it, lowered, increased frequency, whatever else. Liver function is good, thyroid function is good, insulin resistance, all that stuff is all fine, and are still reporting issues. It's quite rare. We're not seeing a lot of those. Okay, so I don't think it really has that much of an impact. Yes, they say there's LH receptors all over the body, but do these receptors have to be constantly stimulated by LH? We're not sure. We do have anecdotal reports of guys being on, TRT for decades, and they're just fine. I'm on TRT now for going on 7 years now. I'm a little nuts, I guess you can say, but health-wise has been pretty good. So that one really depends. An impact on thyroid, we do see guys getting on testosterone and having a favorable impact on thyroid. So their thyroid values actually improve. So beyond that, that's pretty much all I can say on that subject.
This video is sponsored by MeWe, the #1 pick for men on TRT. Shop now at MeWe's using the link in the description under this video.